Alright guys, welcome back to Satisfactory. Where we left off, we just set up some automation. It's going to get just more and more crazy from here. Like, I'm gonna have to set up so many loops. Like with the copper that I started setting up over there, that it's gonna be doing the same thing, but with the wires. I'm gonna have its own little wire factory over there. But speaking of, I noticed that I had made a mistake over here, so I'm cutting off that for the time being. I actually need to go up here. Select you. Actually need to go up here because I'm gonna need to feed power all the way to the copper section. So, oh great. Let's just deal with the local wildlife real quick. All right. So I need this. So put one there. Put one there. Now what I can do is do, and then reconnect you up to power. Boom. So, there we go. Power's all set up again. So... bring it up, loop it up here. Alright. So I'm not going to clutter over there with all this, so I'm just going to build it all right here. So, I need a smelter. You are going to feed into that. And then that's going to feed into a constructor, which I'm just going to... place like this. Come on. Bam. Now... boom. Alright, this... okay. And then... take this. That. And... yeah. We can go ahead and leave that there. That's my little loop. So first let's set this up so it will accept copper. And you will turn copper into wire. Because after it's made, it'll just stay there. I can always just get rid of this in the future. And, oh, can't afford. Come on. Just at least want it so I don't have to, constantly keep going all the way back there. That's a pain. Alright. Tier 6 upgrade. Ooh. This is where I can make biomass. Okay, that's an expensive upgrade. Alright. Dude, just start off with you. How do I want this facing? Yep. Alright. You are going to feed. Except that's not too close. Ah, that's perfect. Alright, and then... protection. Constructor. Bam. Bam, bam. That one's all eaten up. Alright, let's set up another power pole. What's that? 3 out of 4. iron. And you making iron rods. There we go. Oh, Jesus! Ooh, that scared me. Alright, so that is what happens when, you run out. Yeah, I know. Both of these ran out of fuel. Oh, man. That was really loud. Well, blam. When do I unlock? Oh, lookout tower. I don't really need that. But here we go. That's not that difficult. It's not that difficult to make. Nearly there as is. To go fill it up right now. I can go ahead and just start doing this. I want you pointed that way. Let's get you off into a smelter. Line you up. Bam. Off into a constructor. Alright, that's a little chink. Let's put it up here. Boop. Get some conveyor belt action. Mass burner. We're gonna keep up with it. Yeah. Get the production. Yeah, it can't keep up. Alright. Alright. What does it take for that? Oh, that's cheap. Yeah, let's just slap one on the ground right there. Okay. Oh, I need more cable. Grabbed up some cable. Bam. Grab some biomass. Well, bam! Alright. It's all good. I left my computer on all night, and so I kind of forgot that ooh, next milestone. I forgot that I joined the party. I'll get to send this like mini pod up into space.
Conveyor belts can now merge, split, and lift to increase the complexity and efficiency of your factory.
It was like a nightmare.
We encourage you to consider more verticality when it comes to factory logistics
like a nightmare
to streamline short-range transportation.
What's a nightmare?
The productivity display will help you measure and improve the productivity of individual buildings to aid with optimization.
I have a robot talking to me right now. Alright.
Robo bitch.
Rods. Which should get turned into screws. Shut up, Ethan.
Yeah, boy.
Alright. There's splitter. Oh, let's hope this likes it. Oh, that space is a little tight.
Yeah, this is tight.
Shut up!
This is tight.
What?
I didn't think to ask.
The coil of a slinky.
Yeah, that's the one.
Slinkies are, you know, coiled pretty tightly.
Wouldn't it be untight?
Alright. So now I have those two both splitting off into this. I can now have let's get rid of this. I need more logistics. Making rods.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. You see, these guys suck. They're dead early on.
Milestone reached.
give us a second, I'll grab some
Biofuel
water.
will ensure maximum efficiency of biomass burners. To aid in biofuel production, you are now capable of removing foliage that consists primarily of wood. Additionally, R&D inflated your pocket dimension.
Meow. Meow. Be zooming. Looks like I'm making the rest of the screws by hand. I think it was like 150. Bam. Give me the chainsaw. Oh yeah. Chainsaw. So it needs solid biomass to run. How do you make solid biomass? Oh, solid biofuel. Now this is the good stuff.
Alrighty.
I've now got chainsaws, so I can now cut down trees and make solid biofuel, which is good. Oh yeah, this is going to haha, tearing up the environment even more.
What
Who
can I
need-
say except the F word?
Who needs the environment when you can build machines?
Humanity.
There is no humanity on this planet, just me.
Humanity too. Let your food.
Alright guys, we did a bunch more automation.
I said but.
Shut up. I'm doing an outro. Be quiet. Did more automation, got more resource production, and we got a chainsaw so we can do deforestation over there in that forest. It's going to be fun. Well, that's going to have to wait till next time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. As always, have a nice day.